We'll guide you through how to find cool recordings on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and currently I'm recording a call, and what I want to be able to do is be able to go and find the call recording after, as then I can go and listen to it back. Perhaps an important meeting, so you want to go and take some notes from it, or there's another reason why I want to do it. It doesn't matter, we'll guide you through the steps you need to take in order to go and find it. Make sure there's full guides to know what to do step by step. So what I'm going to do here is go and end the recording like so. Now the recording is going to go and be saved. So you can see that we do get a notification there, but perhaps you've gone and missed it and you want to go and find it for a call you previously recorded. Don't worry, we'll still guide you through the steps you need to take in order to go and do this. So you don't actually need to go and open up the phone app or go and look in your settings. What we need to do is you need to go and open up the Notes app on your iPhone. So you go and like this, you can always go and drag down and go and search for notes if you're struggling to go and find it. Here we are. Now what you need to do is I'll have to press back here, and what you can then do is in notes, you want to go and press the back button like so in the top left, and at the top you're going to have a cool recordings folder. Then what you can do is you can go and tap in here like so, and you'll go and have the different calls you've gone and recorded. So what you could do is come into it and you can then go and see, here it is, it was 3 minutes. You can go and see there's a transcript there. If you want to go and play it, you can press play to the right and you can go and start listening to it back. It's that simple. And then you can go and take notes and you can go and skip through it by using those skip buttons to the left and right there. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides like this on the channel and more to come as well. So I'm sure you'll go and find something which you'll find helpful again. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.